guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first official Halloween video. I'm so excited. It is still technically August, it is still hot, it is still summer. Summerween almost over. Halloween, real Halloween actually almost here. But today I have a LUSH Halloween haul for you. I have the 2024 stuff, not all of it, what I picked up from it. And I am so excited. There is so much new stuff to cover. Old favorites, of course. I have my trusty phone to tell you what things smell like because as we know, I don't know, I cannot detect it. As of today, this collection is online and in stores. I am trying to do the impossible, which is buy, film, edit, and upload all in the same day, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. So yeah, I will have the collection linked down below for you to check out. So yeah, let's just go ahead, jump in. I have just bath stuff. I have bath bombs, bubble bars. I did do a reel or short form video also here on YouTube of the entire collection in store. So if you wanna check that out, I will link it up in the corner. Let's dive into the spooky goodness. Let's start with an old fave, the Pumpkin Bath Bomb. This has been coming out for years and I absolutely love this. It smells so nostalgic to me. It smells obviously like pumpkin spice, but it kind of, I don't know, it smells very clean at the same time. I don't know if that makes any sense, but he is so freaking cute. The tagline for it is carve out some you time. So it has cinnamon and orange, but it also has lime. So it's like pumpkin spice, but like a little bit brighter than that. It releases lots of bright colors of obviously orange, yellow, and green. It is so fun. I love this one. I always say if you have a friend whose birthday is around Halloween, aka me, this is a great gift if they take baths. Like this is just so fun and festive. Another return favorite is actually my very favorite of the whole collection, always, every single year. I mean, I guess I haven't tested out the new stuff to confirm, but I love this bath bomb so much. This is the Bat Art Bath Bomb. It is, oh my god, it smells unlike anything else from LUSH. Like this is just, it's so good. It says it has rosemary in it, which I do love the smell of rosemary, but that's just not it. It has Sicilian lemon, green mandarin, rosemary, and sage oils. It just smells, again, really like nice and bright, but yet fall at the same time. It is so super glittery and so pretty. I get a lot of questions about this if it stains my tub. It might leave some residue, but it's nothing that I just can't rinse down the drain really quickly. It's nothing I have to like scrub away or that stains for days. And this one releases purple, which is my very favorite color. So it's a very Halloween spooky dark black purple glittery experience. And it is my absolute favorite. I actually bought 2 of these and I will be back for more and I'm hoping to get some for my birthday as well. But yes, this is always my favorite. It does stain the hands just a touch. And then the last repeat bath bomb that I picked up is the Magic Potion one. This one came out last year and I totally loved it. It smells like jasmine, which is probably my very favorite scent LUSH releases. I think it has jasmine, right? This doesn't say jasmine. It says ylang ylang and clove, but I smell jasmine. It smells great. I thoroughly enjoyed it last year and it is so beautiful. Again, super glittery. And I just remember like really enjoying it in the tub. So I definitely had to pick this one up again. Really getting stained with black, pink, and glitter. Buried a really good bed, Kim. All right, now let's get into the new bath bombs that I picked up. So this one is called Brain Freeze and the tagline is explosive color and cooling mint, which when I smelled this in store, my instinct was like, oh, that smells like something I would want to use when I have sore legs or something. Very minty, but very fresh. I always love the LUSH mint stuff because it's not like too minty, you know? It says ready to have your mind blown. Drop this bath bomb into a warm bath for a full-on sensory experience. It's got spearmint and peppermint. I love spearmint, so I'm delighted by that. And it has popping candy. I love when they have popping candy inside because it just, I don't know, it doesn't seem like it would be relaxing to listen to, but it totally is. I love it. So yeah, he's cute. Cannot wait to try him. I believe this one is new. I'm not positive though now looking at it. This one is called I Want My Mummy. It is a cute mummy who is pink. I love a pink mummy. It smells very like citrusy, but also like classic LUSH. It smells really nice and bright. It's got orange and lime oil, which, like I said, citrus. But again, just kind of a bright twist on Halloween, both in color and in scent. Ooh, I'm making a mess all over my new dress. This is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. I can link everything down below. But yeah, I've mentioned I'm like treating myself to new clothes, trying to stock up my closet with clothes I feel good in and I love wearing. And I'm loving this new dress, especially the color for fall. But anyway, I digress. This one I think is like the cutest, maybe. I don't know. This one is so cute. And he looks like he might glow in the dark with his like greenish exterior, but this is the Dancing Skeleton Bath Bomb, which is so cute. You'll be able to see more detail up close. Smells good too. Again, just kind of has like a bright citrusy scent. His tagline is a sweet, surprising pal. What's the surprise? Do we get a surprise? And he's cheap too. He's only $6, which as far as bath bombs go these days, that's pretty good. It's got orange oil and tangerine oil. And it says dance the fright away with this Halloween bath bomb that has a delightfully creamy orange and tangerine aroma and a colorful surprise hidden inside. I'm so excited. The skeleton is surprisingly sweet and full of nutritious agar, A-G-A-R, to soften your skin while you soak your weary bones. God, I love Halloween. It's so fun. But yeah, I cannot wait to try him. I just thought he was super cute. This one is so fun. It's the Frankenstein bath bomb. He is grumpy. He smells very like kind of woodsy and earthy, which I normally wouldn't go for, but I do enjoy the scent. I don't buy scents I don't enjoy anymore. I used to for hauls and stuff, but I've really limited it by making like the short form content showing you all the things, but then I just purchase the things I like the way they smell. So just know, I like all these scents. It smells kind of like manly in a way, not to assign gender to scents, you know, but like as far as typical colognes and stuff go, it just kind of smells more musky. I don't know. It says, be a mad scientist and toss this monstrous invention in the tub for a bath that fizzes and froths with swirls of yellow and green bath art. Has warm balsamic myrrh and frankincense notes, there you go, that are sweetened with fruity black currant. I love when currant, no wonder I love it. I love when they put currant in things. And bergamot, my other fave, to make you feel transformed. Oh, it also has pine oil and balsam. So that can, it's a woodsy vibe, but it has the bergamot and the currant to, oh, that smells good. I'm excited to try that. And he's just so cute. Very festive, very Halloween-y. Oh, and that was it for the bath bombs. I didn't even realize. I'm having such a good time. But we're not done because we have bubble bars. And I have not been buying bubble bars because I've been working through my collection, but these were too good. Had to buy some, and I also have room for some now. If you don't know, obviously bath bombs you just kind of throw in the tub. You can cut them in half. I actually have a whole video. It's my most popular video actually, on how you can save money at Lush. I will link it up in the corner. Just, it's mostly how you can stretch your things to last longer, and you could totally like wedge a knife in some of these bath bombs and get 2 uses out of them. Is it as fun? No, because a lot of them are made to be like a full experience. So that's the bath bombs. But with the bubble bars, you do get multiple uses out of them. And I always say that the bubble bars are my favorite from Lush because I feel like you get the most bang for your buck and they just work so well. The idea is you crack off a piece of it, crumble it under the running water as your bath is running, and it creates the most like beautiful, frothy, stiff bubbles that will last for most of your bath, that are colorful and they smell good. And I just am such a fan of their bubble bars. I always say this spiel because I really truly, that I love bath bombs, but I feel like bubble bars are where like my heart lies fully, and they came out with such fun ones for Halloween. So first one is Bubble Lugosi, which I was confused by this, but one of you explained it to me last year, but it's a twist pun on the name of the actor who plays the original Dracula. But this smells like pure bergamot and I love this. I can almost guarantee I'll be back for another before the season is up. This thing smells so good. I could just inhale it all day. I believe he also glows in the dark, which I remember scared me last year when I went to the bathroom and he was like glowing. I was like, oh my God. Bergamot, blackberry. You guys, you just gotta trust me on this one. This one smells incredible. It smells like the blackberry bath bomb, which it comes and goes from Lush, at least from the shops. I don't know if it's like online all the time, but that is one of my very favorite bath bombs, and this smells exactly like that. I remember getting this one last year as well. This is the Pumpkin Crumble. This is what replaced the Sparkly Pumpkin Bath Bomb, which I am slightly devastated by. I love the Sparkly Pumpkin. I don't know why they got rid of it. Everybody loves the Sparkly Pumpkin. It was just the sparkliest, cutest pumpkin bath bomb you'd ever seen. Either last year or the year before, they reformulated it to be this. And so this is kind of one of their like bubble runes, in which it is a bubble bar, but in the middle it kind of has this like moisturizing cream stuff that just extra moisturizes your skin in the bathtub. So I do love this product, but I do also really miss the Sparkly Pumpkin. But this, I believe it's like around, very similar to the same scent. Also similar to that pumpkin bath bomb. Like obviously it's just kind of pumpkin-y, but this has shea butter and citrus oils in it as well. Whenever they have the bubble runes, the strawberry one that comes out, I think it was during Valentine's Day, it's the same vibe. It is so moisturizing. Like you don't have to use lotion afterwards. So this is fun. I also think would be a very fun gift for, just a fun festive gift for October, or for somebody who has a birthday in October. But yeah, this one I just love looking at. It's so cute. I'm gonna save my favorite for last, because why not? This one I think is so cute. This is called the Witchy Woo Bubble Bar, which just looking at it looks like the Comforter, which is my all-time favorite bubble bar. And I wasn't expecting to like the way this smelled, but I totally do. It smells great. And I'm really excited to see what color it turns my bath. Just like how fun and Halloween looking is that. It's got lime, neroli, I love neroli, and frankincense. So it's bright and citrusy, but still like fall-y, woodsy kind of. Again, I wasn't expecting to like the way this one smelled, but I do. And in turn, they have another one that kind of looks like this, but it's green and white, and it's called the Hocus Pocus one, which I wanted that one because of the name, but it smelled like lemongrass, and that's not my jam. But this ended up being my jam, so I picked this one up. But I just think that is so fun and cute. It smells good. And I will get so many uses out of this. I'll get probably like 7 or 8 baths out of this. And I have a big tub, not to brag. And then my very favorite one I saved for last. I'm so excited about this. It's called the Invaders from Mars Bubble Bar. This is clearly a play on the Mars Attacks aliens from Tim Burton's movie. And it smells good, thank God. I was gonna buy it regardless, but I like the way it smells. It smells very like bright, but clean. Bright and clean would be the same. You know, it's bright in a different way than the rest of the things. Oh, it says it's inspired by 1950s comics and classic alien sound effects. I mean, I don't know. This looks like ack, you know, like Mars Attacks completely. It's got lime, sweet orange oil, and frankincense. That seems to be the theme. It's a little bit of citrus, a little bit of frankincense. But he is just so cute. His brains, I love the pink and the green. Like, I just am obsessed with this, and I can't wait to try it. Also, you guys, I think there might be a Beetlejuice Lush collab coming out. The girls in the store, like, they know me and they know I come in to take footage and I buy the new collection, so they're like aware of, you know, me and what I do. The one girl asked the other, can we tell her what our next collab is? The other one shook her head and I was like, oh, what a cliffhanger, you gotta tell me. And they wouldn't tell me, but they said you're gonna really like it. So I'm thinking a Beetlejuice collab is coming. And again, they did not tell me this. I am making things up, but it just makes sense. I've been really waiting for that. I really wanted a Beetlejuice collab with Lush and with OPI. I don't think I'm gonna get the OPI. They haven't said anything. But also Lush did this with Barbie. It came out like after the movie came out, and Beetlejuice comes out a week from the day that I'm filming this. So I don't know, but like, what are they gonna be? There better be a sand monster something. There better be like the guy with the tiny head, like a bath bomb of his head or something. Like, they should have called me to work with this on them, number one. But number two, I cannot wait if that's true and if that's what's coming out. I mean, regardless, I'm excited to see. And they also said, like, we have so much stuff coming out between now and the end of the year. I already know that Wicked has announced they're gonna collab with Lush and OPI, so I will be blessed in both categories. But if that's true, the Tim Burton Mars Attacks alien makes a lot more sense now if they're like working together. So fingers hella crossed for that. And of course I'll keep you updated. Definitely follow me on Instagram because it will be much quicker there, but oh my God, I'm so excited. It would be like more Halloween on top of Halloween. It would be incredible. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have an entire Lush playlist I can link up in the corner. I've been doing Lush videos for 11 years, as long as I've been making YouTube videos. So there is so much to watch and see and do if that interests you. It might not. But yeah, I've pulled back on the Lush hauls just because I'm honestly not buying as much as I used to. But Halloween and Christmas, I am still going full ham on, so you can also expect a Christmas haul. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I think I said that already. I will have this stuff linked down below, as well as like the whole collection page. And like I said, check out that short form video to see the other stuff in person. Happy Halloween, you know? It's time. We've officially kicked off the Halloween season with this, and I'm excited for more. So be sure to subscribe. I'll have my face right here. You can click and subscribe, as well as some videos you might have missed or you might enjoy. I'll see you guys very soon with more festive fun and also just other stuff that I normally do. But I love you. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.